Hello and welcome to the fourth video counter. Within this we're going to be adding a counter into our game and also making the counter work whenever the turtle eats any of the grass. The first thing which I'm going to have to do is import the counter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Edit and Import Class. From here I'll be able to see counter and I'm just going to click Import. Perfect. I'm first going to make the counter appear up on the screen. So what I can do is I will say counter score equal new counter, add object counter, and I'm going to put it in within the top right. So I'm just going to say 1, 1. Cool. Make sure I call it score, like so. Cool. This will add the counter into the top right. Actually, I'll change it to 0, 0 just to make it within the top left. Perfect. Okay. If I want to make the counter work, I'm going to need to add its functionality within the turtle code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my turtle, open editor, and I'm going to add this line of code. I'm going to say counter score equals new equals counter get world dot get objects counter dot class dot get 0. And if we want to have our counter counting up, what we can do is we can just add this next line, just score dot add 1. Cool. Then when we run this, you can see that the score is adding 1 each time. Perfect. And that is how you add a counter and make it function within Greenfoot.